A wonderful day, everyone! Welcome to our video, where you can learn a lot about Earth and Life Science. For today's video, we will discuss the reproductive strategy of Banahao forest frog. But before we proceed, what is Banahao forest frog? Let's learn.
The Banahao forest frog or the Platymantis banahao is a species of frog in the family Ceratobatrachidae. It is endemic to Luzon, Philippines, where it is only known from the Mount Banahao, the Banahao, and San Cristobal peaks. Scientists have found it between 700 to 1,700 meters above sea level.
Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical moist lowland forest and subtropical or tropical moist montane forest. It is threatened by habitat loss. According to IUCN, or International Union for Conservation of Nature, the Banahao forest frog is listed in near threatened.
Its domain is eukaryotes, and its class is amphibian, and its order is Anura. The family where it belongs is Ceratobatrachidae, and its genus is Platymantis. Different animals group develop divergent and reproductive mechanism and modes. Amphibians like Banahao forest frog has sexual reproduction type, and also they rely on saltation to move around.
So, frogs like Banahao forest frog is oviparous. They lay eggs, which will be tadpoles, and will grow as frogs soon, which then develop outside the mother.
In almost all frogs, including the Banahao forest frog, egg fertilization happens outside the female's body instead of the inside. The female releases her eggs and the male releases his sperms at the same time. In order to make sure that the sperms reach the eggs, the male and the female gets into a mating posture called amplexus. The male climbs onto the female's back and clasps his forelegs around her middle. Frogs can stay in amplexus for hours or even days as the female releases as few as one or as many as several hundred eggs.
In addition, all Nora where the Banahao forest frog belongs have external sexual reproduction as well as different mate attraction mechanism. In frog, the reproductive mechanism or mode initiate males attract females by producing vocalization which are amplified by the vocal sac. Since Banahao forest frog have sexual reproduction, let's talk about advantage and disadvantage of this reproduction.
The advantage of asexual reproduction are produces variation of offspring, higher genetic diversity, and better adaptation of changing environments, speed up evolution, etc.
The disadvantage of sexual reproduction are genetically costly, risky of genetic organelle conflict. It takes time and effort to find a mate. Fewer offspring are produced. Reproduction is not always successful.
And that's our video lesson for today. Before we say goodbye, we hope that you learned something from us today. See you in another video lesson and stay interested about Earth and Life Science. Keep on learning!